Okay, in this video I'll quickly show you how to add custom floors to your project. So you first need to make sure that you have an add-on called Import Images as Planes. Then all you have to do, hit F3, and you can start typing Import Images as Planes, and then you hit the button, and you can navigate to wherever your image is, and I hit the button to import. So here's my image, or here's my plane. To actually see the image, you have to be in the third or the fourth view. So this is my carpet that I put in there. Right away, I don't like how shiny it is, so you can go to shading and you can play around with the settings. So for shininess, you want to bring the specular down and the roughness up. Then to extend the floor, you can just add a modifier. There's an array modifier. And here you can play around with the numbers. And then if you also want to make it wide going along the y-axis, add another array modifier. So there's two array modifiers. And on the second one, I'll just change this factor to be 1 on the y and 0 on the x. And then you can play around with the count, and that's going to increase it. Now, this is all perfect and it will work. If you want to make it a little bit more special though, what you can do is we can make it glow in the dark. So for that, I'll go into shading, go into the fourth view here, and all I will do is from the color here, I will drag off something called separate color. Then I will drag off one of those, red, green, or blue, doesn't really matter. And I'll type in multiply. And then I'll drag this into emission strength. I also have to drag the color into emission. So color goes into emission. This multiplication goes to emission strength. Now when you play around with the value here on multiply, that will give you stronger or weaker kind of lighting. So it's kind of like glow in the dark carpet. But to really bring it home, if you go here to render properties and enable bloom, and you play around with it now, you will get kind of like a halo effect coming from all of those. Your carpet, it might look better with the red, or if you don't like that one, try with the green. See how that looks. Or if you don't like that one, go with the blue. So there's your glow in the dark carpet. You can do the same thing for your alleys, for walls, and anything like that. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Good luck.